Assalamu alaikum dear student, how are you? I hope that all are fine. Okay, today I am talking about SCQ question, that means creative question from chapter 4 according to state enterprise. When you will answer the CQ question, that time you read very carefully STEM. It is very important. So already I have written a CQ question on screen. Hilltrex area is an underdeveloped region in Bangladesh. Mills and factories did not grow in these regions for lack of infrastructural and other opportunities. So, special planning mills and factories in the Hilltrex region has been adopted for balanced development of the country without thinking about profit only. So, I have read very carefully STEM. Now I will answer those questions. Look at this number 1 or question number A for 1 marks. What is state enterprise? You write definition of state enterprise. What is definition? The companies from, operate and controlled by the state are called state enterprise. Question number B. What do you mean by artificial entity? So, this is very important. You write more than 2 or 3, 4 lines. Okay, because this question come for 2 marks. Okay, so you write here artificial entity means enjoying the legal status and right like a person, being a non-personal entity. The company is legal format. It has legal personality. Company independently can enter into any contract. It can do transaction and can take legal action if necessary. Other parties also have the right to get to court against the company, and it is totally separate from its owner. That's why company are called artificial entity. So next question, that means question number C. Actually question number C is related with STEM. If you understand the STEM, you easily answer this question. Okay, C number question. What type of business organization is suitable in the hilly areas on the basis of ownership? Explain. That means you write the first para. You write here minimum 3 para. Okay. Number 1 para. State enterprise are suitable in the hilly area on the basis of ownership. So, according to the STEM is written, mills and factory did not grow in the region for the lack of infrastructure and other opportunities. So, special planning mills and factory in the hilly areas region has been adopted for balanced development of the country without thinking about profit only. So, easily we realize the state enterprise are suitable in the hilly area on the basis of ownership. Second para, you write companies from and operate and controlled by the state are called state enterprise. The main object of this enterprise is public welfare and public service. It utilized the resource and distribute those equally among the people of the country. The third para, this is very important. The third para have to relate it with STEM. Okay, hilly area is an underdeveloped region in Bangladesh because the mills and factories did not grow in this region. Now there should be established some industries and ownership of those industries and should be held by the government. If we know as a state enterprise, because the purpose of those enterprise will be public welfare of that particular area. This can help to distribute the resource equally to the people of hilltop area. In this way, the living standard and infrastructure will develop. For those reasons, state enterprise are suitable in the hilly area on the basis of ownership. Question number D. Earning profit is not the main objective of the business organization that has been established in hilly area. Explain its appropriateness in the light of the above mentioned STEM. The answer is I agree with the statement. Earning profit is not the main objective of the state enterprise that has been established in hilly area. The first para, you write minimum 4 para here. Okay. The second para, state enterprise are formed to provide facilities to the people of our country. The object of this enterprise are not earning profit, and public welfare is its main objective. The third para, hilly area is an underdeveloped region in Bangladesh. So, special planning for establishing mills and factories in the hilly area region has been developed for the balanced development of the country without thinking about profit only. This is third para and goes to last. That means para number 4. As hilly areas are not developed, they should be established state enterprise because this will work for the welfare of the people of the area. This can create employment opportunity for the people of those area. Those organizations would not take any profit and will distribute the resource among the people of the hilly areas. This will develop the infrastructure of the mentioned area. In this way, living standard of the people of those area will increase and area will become developed gradually. So it can be said that public welfare is the main objective instead of earning profit. So it is answer of this STEM. I hope that you understand. Also, if you want to write according to the STEM in different thing, okay, no problem. Inshallah, next class I am talking about CQ question from this chapter. So, best of luck and stay at home. Assalamu alaikum.